Information session was very enlightening. I think all of us, I think it opened our eyes a little bit and made us a little bit more aware of what we are surrounded by and the kind of hazards that we encounter from a digital standpoint in our life on a daily basis. A diagnostic tool which brings you a little bit closer to really finding out what are the issues that currently you're facing from a health challenge. I think overall great, and I think I could see the whole team was connected, they were excited, and I think certainly it's going to bring benefit to the organization.
The entire program is very good. It's very nicely stitched together. I'll start definitely doing some kind of a breathing exercise. So want to focus on the sleep patterns.
It's wonderful, such a simple steps. You can't believe that this can give so much of outcome in the less than 5 to 6 minutes. It's really amazing to see that. This encourages that people should know more about it.
I found it very interesting. I'm glad that I did it. And for somebody who's very keen and interested in wellness and peak performance.
It was wonderful, actually quite enlightening. One wouldn't think about the things that you brought to our attention. I just hope that more and more people become more aware of the surrounding. Thank you for doing this.
It was very good, nice. I got a lot more information about myself, so it was reassuring. There are certain things which I didn't know, which I want to understand. So I had a basic information, but it gave a lot more understanding about what needs to be done.
It was interesting. I found it very intriguing and good. Not exactly new to me, but probably passed through the years without actually registering in the brain. But I think I am going to take it a little bit more seriously, especially the demonstration that you conducted was quite eye-opening. Potentially take this back to the family also.
Excellent. The things which I was not aware, I came to know today itself. I supposed to do for to improve my health and improve my happiness.
It was quite interactive, quite impressive. It was quite good. Got a lot of insights on how to improve. I think
it was very fascinating. From the time you started explaining about what kind of things we need to take care of while we work on this, 8 hours with our phones all the time.
Amazing.
Quite enlightening.
It's an excellent insight.
It's a great innovation. It seems magic.
Extremely useful.